What if I tell you right now, you are given a chance to sell anything you want? Gulay man yan, perfume man yan, accessories man yan, and you can sell them all in one place without having to shell out any money, without having to think about stocks, shipping, and you can sell using your own phone. If I can tell you right now that's possible, will you believe me? Well, you should, because it is possible. I found an app that can do that, and in this video I'll show you how that is possible. What's this app? I'll tell you in a bit. Stay tuned. Before anything else, hi, I'm Tony. I talk about personal finance, money hacks, tricks, tips, investing, saving, growing your own online business. Lahat ng alam ko, I'm teaching you in this YouTube channel, and if you are interested with that, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and of course, share it with your friends. It will be a big help to the channel. You don't know how to create a website, kahit na tinuro ko na sa inyo before on how to do it, it's very easy. It's right here. If you missed that, and dito sa baba, I'll send all the links that you need. I've also talked about how to start your own online business, how to do the marketing, even my 30-day challenge on creating my own online business. I've done it. It's all in here and dito sa baba. It's all insightful. I recommend you watch those first before anything. Well, actually, after this, you can go back and watch the old videos. Yes, it's true. You can sell using just your phone without you having to think about stocks, without having to think about shipping, packaging, whatever. But before anything else, I would just like to say that this is not a sponsored video, and the reason why I'm plugging this app is because I believe in it. I believe it has all the potentials of being a great app, and ang problema lang, hindi lang siya masyadong sikat like Shopee and Lazada, but it should be, because it helps both the buyer and the seller in just one app. And the reason why I'm plugging it is because I want to help both you guys and of course the startup who's doing this to be able to create more amazing apps in the future. It's a win-win for us. It's a good app, and if you are willing to give your time, your effort in this, I believe you can earn money from it as well. And of course, as a buyer, you'll get all of the amazing products from the sellers, the local sellers. Yeah, let's get started with the app. This app is like something like Shopee and Lazada, wherein you can be both the buyer and the seller. Ang difference lang is, unlike the two sites that I've mentioned earlier, in this app, hindi mo na kailangan mag-interchange ng websites just to sell and to buy. You can actually just do it in one app. Later on in the video, in the last part of the video, I'm gonna teach you the many ways. Yes, more than one way. More than actually two ways. More than two ways of earning money in this app. But right now, I'm gonna say it. It's called the Resellee app. You can download it in iOS and Android. The app is available in both platforms, and I'm gonna show you right now the step-by-step guide on how to use this app, and then again later on in the video I'm gonna teach you the many ways on how you can maximize it to earn money, to create your own online store using this app.
Open na natin yung app. Let's sign in. If you haven't created an account yet, sign up now, obviously. But if you have already created an account, let's sign in since meron akong account. And once you've signed in, you'll see this. What is team code? If you have an invite, please put the team code right there. Meron akong code. If you want to join my team, please put in the code. My team code is here in the screen. Plus, I'll be sharing it to description box. Once you've done it, this is what you'll see. Para siyang Shopee or Lazada set up. And then you get to browse almost anything that you want from groceries to health and fitness, damit. The best thing about this app, isa sila sa pinakamurang grocery. So they call it the Resellee Fresh. So lahat ng mga fresh goods, mga gulay, you can see it here. They are one of the cheapest. I've browsed around. Isa siya sa mga murang nagbebenta ng mga gulay. Again, Resellee Fresh. You can get your groceries fresh, delivered to your home. Kahit mga pangsasakyan, meron dito lahat ng kailangan mo, literal, andito na. This is what's inside. Parang siyang Shopee. Now let's try to use it as what it is. An app like Shopee and Lazada. So let's try to purchase an item. Let's click an item to see what will show up. All you have to do is click add to cart and then you will be redirected to another page. This is where you will get to buy the product itself. There you go. Pwede mo nang bilhin. Literal. Diretso sa bahay mo. Now, let's go to the part where you earn money. Now, sabi ko kanina, pwede kayong kumita more than one way, more than two ways actually, with this app. Let's find a product here. Let's say this lightening underarm cream. Ang kinagandahan dito, all the descriptions are there. Makikita mo sa baba ng product name and price is yung commission. So, if you sell this product, you get a commission of 20 pesos. Different products have different commissions. Alam mo na may commission per item. Now, how do we sell this? Of course, nakikita nyo naman sa baba, may sell button there. You can click it as it is. This is the first way on how you can sell. Click and then you will be given a link. What you do is you copy the link or send it directly to your friends. Ikaw bahala. I'll just show you right now. I copied the link and then let's try to my Viber account. Let's say may gusto akong isendan sa Viber. Once I click copy, let's go to Viber. Here's my notes. Paste the link. Pagkatapos mo, kausapin yung friend mo na, uy, gusto mo bang bumili ng ito? Rinig ko, maganda daw to. You give the link to him or her. And then once you do, pagka-click nila, ito yung makikita nila. So, wala yung commission na button. It's just add to cart or buy the item. Now, ang ginaganda dito, if they continue to buy, so aside from the underarm cream, kung may binili pa silang iba, kasama yun sa commission mo. Ngayon, the second way on how you can sell is creating your own store. I've done this already because I tested it. Ang gagawin lang natin is para kang gagawa ng sarili mong store. Before I explain how you add products to your store, here's a sample of mine. Ayan na siya. Literal, I just click the items in the app, place it on my store, and then ginawa niya na ako ng sarili kong store. So, since may store na ako, meron na akong automatically link for my own store. Ang kinaganda nun, I can send it to any of my friends. Once they clicked onto the link that I gave them, mapapadpad sila sa store ko mismo. So, lahat ng items makikita nila, yung mga nasa store ko lang. Hindi nila makikita yung ibang products. Hindi ko naman nilagay sa store. Let's try to click the link. I've sent it to myself again. Ayan yung lumabas. Store ko lang yan. Walang other items. Silang nakita ko, hindi yung mga items na nilagay ko. So, how do we add products? Let's go to the product itself and then just click on to this mini button na may heart. Pagka-click mo nun, automatically mapapadpad yun sa store mo. It doesn't matter if it's out of brand. As long as you click the store with the heart button, ibig sabihin nun, nasa store mo na siya. Two ways na yun na-explain ko how you can sell using this app. Again, the way you can earn is through commission. Kapag nabenta mo, whatever the original seller placed onto the commission, there's of course another way on how you can earn. Let's say hindi mo bet maggawa-gawa ng mga store na to, mga ganyan. The third way on how you can earn money using this app is through selling load, selling bills, paying. Let's go to the services real quick. And once you click the services, you will be redirected to this page. Yan, makikita mo pay bills, sell load, lahat na nandyan. You can sell literally anything, load, buy sila ng bills. You get commission as well when you do this. Let's say someone wants to pay their bills, you get 3 pesos commission. Someone wants to buy load, you get 12 pesos commission. Not bad, right?
Well, that's about it. I do hope I have inspired you to maximize this app. And yes, there are more than one ways of maximizing this app for you to earn money and for you to purchase from local sellers. Syempre, let's support local. If you have any more questions, if you got confused in some parts, please let me know down in the comments below. Also, if you want me to feature an app, if you want me to try an investment, if you want me to do a certain video, wag lang yung sumasayaw, please let me know down in the comments below. Of course, I am also on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. You can PM, DM me, kung ano man tawag nyo. It's all the same to me. Let me know there. Send me a message. I'll be more than happy to read it and also to, plug you guys. If you want me to say hi to you, please let me know down in the comments below or send me a PM, whatever. And of course, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and of course yung doorbell sign para lagi kayo updated sa mga videos ko. Yes, I do hope you share this YouTube channel to your friends, and of course, I do hope to see you again soon. Bye.